Namaste students, myself JV and Dr. Khushbu Verma from Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about compound microscope, and here I am showing you compound microscope which is attached with the camera, and here you can digitalize your images and you can capture your images by software. So basically this is the instrumentation of our University Innovation Center, and basically this lab is Central Instrumentation Lab of Innovation Center, where this digital microscope has been placed and has been installed. And by using digital microscope you can capture images, you can capture video of living organisms, especially microorganisms. You can make your permanent slides and you can analyze morphological analysis. So here I am just starting the demonstration of a digital microscope, and basically first of all I will let you know about the parts of compound microscope. Here you can simply see this is the eyepiece from where you can see your microscopic images. This is the workplace and slide on which you can put, as I have already placed a slide, and this is your clip to just hold the slide, and by using this clip you can move slide from left to right, and from by this from and this is the light source region. And generally whenever you are not using, you have to just cover it by its protector. And this is the main switch, and this is for the resolution. You have to adjust by using these walls for just clearing the image of microscopic slide. And this is the camera, basically MacCam DC5. By using this installed camera we can capture the images in our computer. First of all we have to just on our light, remove this protector. We have already placed our slide, so we can adjust this slide, and we have to analyze by using our eyes that image is clear or not. Otherwise you can adjust and you can see direct in the computer. Here already this software MacVision is already present, so we have to click on that. We will use MacCam DC5. Now it's showing whatever the image now, basically image is blur right now, so we have to adjust our lenses. Here you can simply see this is the 100x, this is 40x, this is 10x, this is 4x. So generally we just maintain or adjust our microscopic slide by using 10x or 40x. So after